We will have grief counselors available if any student needs someone to talk to.
You're the new girl?
Is that a part? No.
Can you translate any of it?
To talk, it can also mean to...
Summon the dead.
Go for it, babe. I dare you.
I think I'm gonna pass on the whole ghost summoning death whistle.
Listen, you guys hear that?
The day you are born, so is your death. If you hear the whistle scream, dying is not a choice.
Hello? We were told the markings said, summon the dead.
The markings read, summon your death.
Our future death is hunting us.
We need to find a way to stop it.
Death is unstoppable.
I'm not letting it get you.
We are running out of time.
What if I don't want to die?
Then you shouldn't have been born.